Good morning, students. Myself Aditya sir. Today I bring a topic for class 8, that is how to insert rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. First of all, students, I just want to know that what is rational number and how many numbers are there between any two rational numbers. This is the basic concept that I have provided you in the introductory class of this one. So just tell me and just think about the definitions and the concept of rational numbers. Think yourself. So I thought that you have remembered the definitions of rational number. What is rational number? The number in the form of p by q in which q is not equal to 0. That's correct. And if I ask how many rational numbers are there between any two rational numbers, so that is infinite rational numbers. You already understand the concept. Now we have to insert any rational numbers between given rational numbers. Okay. So the concept is find the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So come to the solution. The first method, there are various methods by which we can insert rational numbers between any two rational numbers. The first and the basic method, that is the average method. Average method, I mean to say that you have to add both the rational numbers and just divide it by 2. In simply we can say that a plus b by 2. Okay. So here method n1 is equal to half into a plus b. Where this one is a and this one is b. Half 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Half 4 और 3 काम होगा उसमें, लेकिन that is 12. 3 plus 4, which implies 1 by 2. 4 और 3 7 by 12, that is 7 by 24. This is the answer. So you can say that 1 by 4, the middle number, which number? So that is 7 by 24. This is your answer for the question number 1, that is to find the rational between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. You just go through these questions once, okay? Now, come to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is similarly, we don't have to do much a lot in this question. Similarly, half 2 plus 3. That is half into 5, that is 5 by 2. 2, 3, that is 5 by 2. Is that clear? Okay. Now similarly, if you are provided to find 3 rational numbers between any two rational numbers, what will you do? Okay, so first one I have already calculated. The second one, half a. Now the a changes into, अगर आप इन दोनों के बीच में लाना चाहते हो तो हाफ a की जगह 2 रख दो और b की जगह 5 by 2 रख दो. That is half 2 2s are 4 5, 9 by 2. That is 9 by 2 2s are 4. तो ये हो जाएगा 2, 9 by 4, 5 by 2 and 3. Okay. Similarly, if you want to insert third number n3, तो half, अब इन दोनों के बीच में आप कर सकते हो तो 5 by 2 plus 3. तो half 2 5 6, half 6 5 11 बटा 2, that is 11 बटा 4. So the number will be inserted here in this between 11 by 4 and 3. So this is how you can select any two of the given numbers, add it and just divide it by 2, and you will get the rational number between those two numbers. This is how you can insert 4 5 6 and so on. Okay, this is the very first method by which you can insert a rational numbers, easiest method. Now we just come to the another method, that is you have to find the rational number, suppose 10, 20, even 100 rational numbers, then it will create hectic by adding the given numbers for 100 times or 20 times. It will be a time-taking process. So we will avoid this process by adding and dividing by 2. We will take another process, that is equivalent fraction method. Okay. Suppose a question is given, find 9 rational number. Find 9 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay, you have to find 9 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So by equivalent fraction method, we can represent 1 as 1 को हम लोग कैसे दिखा सकते हैं? 10 by 10 कट के तो बन ही आ जाएगा. We'll get the 1. Okay. And the second thing, that is 2. 2 को हम लोग क्या दिखा सकते हैं? 2 को दिखा सकते हैं 20 by 10. Okay. So this one is 10 by 10 and this one is 20 by 10. Now we have equalized the denominators. Okay. Now 10 के बाद क्या होता है? 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10, 16 by 10, 17 by 10, 18 by 10, 19 by 10, and this one is 20 by 10. So this is the another method by which you can insert more than large number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers just within a second. Okay, so this is how you can insert. Suppose the question is saying insert 100 rational numbers between 1 and 2. In that case, it will be not better method for you to just select add both this number and divide it by 2 for the 100 times. It will take a lot of time consuming. So सक्सेस का जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मंत्र होता है, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मंत्र फॉर सक्सेस इज स्पीड प्लस एक्यूरेसी. अगर आप एक्यूरेसी से बनाते हैं और स्लो बनाते हैं तो भी आपको सफलता नहीं मिलता. आप जल्दी जल्दी बनाते हैं, गलत बना देते हैं तो भी सफलता नहीं मिलता. आपको सफलता उसी हाल में मिलेगा जब आपके पास स्पीड भी होगा और एक्यूरेसी भी होगा. सो सफलता सक्सेस का सबसे सिंपल मंत्र है स्पीड प्लस एक्यूरेसी. सो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग जो है हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं मैथ के सभी स्टेप्स को. सपोज क्या कर दिया, फाइंड 99 रैशनल नंबर्स. 99 रैशनल नंबर आपको निकालना है. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे बाबू कि यहाँ 1 को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं 100 by 100 और 2 को लिख सकते हैं 200 by 100. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे ऐसे 100 by 100 का मतलब लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ 200 by 100 का मतलब. फिर यहाँ से लिख देंगे 101 बटा 100, 102 बटा 100, 103, 104 से डॉट 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 कहाँ तक 199 बटा 100 लिखा जाएगा. 198 बटा 100, 199 बटा 100 डॉट 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 आ गया. तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन इंसर्ट. अब सारा नंबर लिख के दिखाने की आवश्यकता नहीं, वो टीचर को पता है. आप 4 आगे लिख दीजिएगा, 4 पीछे लिख दीजिएगा पीछे से, and that will be sufficient. So this is the basic two method by which you can insert rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. ये तो अभी 2 मेथड था. अगर मेथड आपको और इसमें और भी मेथड होता है लाइक फॉर्मूला मेथड, और एक है हम लोग का जुगाड़ मेथड. तो ये अपना जो जुगाड़ मेथड है या फॉर्मूला मेथड है, ये क्लास 9 में पढ़ना. तो अभी हम लोग जो क्लास 8 का ही टॉपिक है उसी को डिस्कस कर ले रहे हैं उतना ही तक. फिर आगे 9 में चलेंगे तो उसको भी चलेंगे. Anyhow, so basically we are about to conclude this chapter 1, rational numbers. Before concluding this chapter, I would request each and every one of you, so please solve all the questions from NCERT textbook in fair copy. Fair copy, I mean to say, you just create a fair copy for mathematics and just solve the questions from NCERT book or having any other reference book chapter wise, exercise wise, by giving the heading, using blue pen, black pen, scale, pencil for margin, and whatever the information I have told you in the classes, you just follow all those guidelines and prepare a fair copy for mathematics. Okay, so now what is left in this chapter to be taught? So that is the word problem. So word problem is nothing but a calculations regarding this chapter, like simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or combination of all these in the same questions. Just for example, I am giving you a question, simple questions. The cost of a pen is 20 rupees. What is the cost of 20 such pens? In such case, what you will do? You will just multiply the concept. The cost of one pen multiplied by the 10 number of pen, you will get the result. Okay. Similarly, the length and breadth of the rectangle is given. You have to calculate the perimeter as well as the area. Just go through the concept. Area of rectangle L into B, just multiply both the dimensions. And if you want to calculate your perimeter, you just use the formula 2 into L plus B, put the value and get the result. So I am not going to solve the word problem regarding this chapter. You just go through the word problem and point out the meaning, what the sentence is asking, and just go through that one. It will be easy for you to solve. Okay. So today I am completely concluding this chapter and request you all to prepare a fair copy of this chapter, and we will come to the next chapter in the next video, and that will be, I think, power and exponent. This will be your second chapter regarding this mathematics topic. Okay, so till then, have a nice day, take care, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.